and Carolyn, a round of applause, and all the acts, and my sisters, Missy and Sandra and Gigi. Wonderful, wonderful. Everyone's been great today. The talent's been unbelievable. It's good to see Lucius hadn't seen for a while.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone who's here. I want to thank the man who's fighting the police, giving up for Fonz, yeah. Good fight for a lot of years, young man. Thank you so much. I want to thank the wait staff and Bob, and of course, none other than Sugar Bear. Bluesman Mike, Sugar Bear, Ray and I had some wonderful times at the Voodoo Daddies. Thanks, Mike, for those wonderful memories. Your lovely wife, such a warm, great woman, such a wonderful supporter.
Hey, it ain't nothing but a blank field.
Thank you so much. I know. I went by, I cried. I cried when I saw Voodoo Daddies. Okay. Thank you so much. Tim, one of the best drummers in the Valley is. Thanks so much. TJ, Daryl on the keys. What a heck of a band. Thank you. I was with Virgin for 10 years. Got a royalty check. Gonna do one of my hit songs from Virgin Records. Little thing called, what are we doing, Ray? Which one? Ain't Gonna Cry. Now, we gotta give it up for the man in the sound booth because Darren's been doing it righteous tonight. Can we give him a round of applause? Thank you, Darren. Move something.
Yeah.
I don't care what it is, just move it.
All right.
My grandmother would say, shake a tail feather, why don't you?
All right now. Don't hurt him, girl. Don't hurt
He done walked out the door.
him. Yeah.
I said, my man is gone. He done walked out the door. For the sun's gonna shine. I ain't gonna cry no more. But I'm happy. Now the rascal is gone. But I'm happy. Now the rascal is gone. Well, he done me wrong. I ain't gonna cry no more. Well, I ain't gonna cry. I ain't gonna cry. I ain't gonna cry no more. I ain't gonna cry. Ain't gonna cry no more. Well, the rascal did me wrong. I ain't gonna cry no more. Well, I'm happy. Now the rascal is gone. Well, I'm happy. Now the rascal is gone. Well, he done me wrong. I ain't gonna cry no more. Can we give the band a round of applause? Thank you. Yeah. Well, I ain't gonna cry no more. Well, I ain't gonna cry no more. Mother Rise gonna get me wrong. Ladies, I'm talking to you. Do you understand what I'm saying? I ain't gonna cry. I ain't gonna cry. I ain't gonna cry no more. Thank you. No thing called knocking blues. Feel this one from your head to your toes. It's called he didn't walk down the door. I said the man's gone. He didn't walk down the door. And the sun's gonna shine. No, not moving. Not knocking on my door. Well, the sun's gonna shine. I ain't gonna cry no more. Well, knocking at my door. Well, the blues keeps knocking at my door. And I ain't gonna cry. Don't the blues no more. When the blues go away, come back another day. Yeah. I said blues go away, come back another day. Don't you knock at my door? Do you hear what I say? Don't want the blues knocking at my door. No, 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 the blues knocking at my door. I don't want the blues, don't want the blues no more. Don't want the blues knocking at my door. No, 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 the blues knocking at my door. I don't always back us up with this song. You started, Mike. Thank you. Please, can we give Bluesman Mike and Carol and all the folks who put this wonderful tribute together for Sugar Man. Thank you, Mike.
All right, let's go.
You're the blues man.
Yeah, well, yeah.
I'm
You right about that? You got that one right, Yvonne.
with his blues man hat on, looking sharp like man. He's a blues man. Talk to me, Mike. Oh, yeah.
Bring it on down, bring it on down. I was brought up on Jimmy Reed, cornbread, collard greens, and black-eyed peas.
I hear you.
And I took my first bath in muddy water. And all you mothers better watch out for your daughter.
Uh-oh.
'Cause I'm
He's a blues man.
a man. You know I'm a blues man.
Yes.
And you got your boss man
Bring it down.
hounding me. I'm out here on the road and I'm totally free.
Whoa.
Man, you know I'm a blues
He's a blues man.
man. You know I'm a blues man. You know I'm a blues man. All right.
Can see the blue. Whoa, whoa, well, the man. He can see the blue. And you know I'm telling you, well, it's morning, noon, night. Mike sings the blues, and he always gets it right. Whoa, 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 yeah. I sorry, Monday.
But Tuesday just as bad.
I hear you now.
They call it Stormy Monday. But Tuesday, I'm here to tell you, Tuesday's just as bad. Wednesday's worse. And Thursday's not so sad.
Bring it up, guys. Way low. Chico would say, I want to hear a rap
I'll tell you about Wednesday and Thursday.
Man, come down just a little. Bring it down. Bring it down.
I'm here to tell you about
Bring it down. Thank you, that's nice.
And Friday I go out to play. Saturday I have fun.
Stormy,
Sunday,
stormy. Monday. Thank you, Mike. You got the blues? Stormy, stormy, stormy. Tell me, Mike. And on Monday,
that's when I go to work. Yeah. That's when I go to work. And my time at the office with all the little secretaries. It's time to go now.
stormy Monday. Blues Man Mike and Lynn, thank you. Thank
We got Glenville Slim.
you. Thank you. Glenville in the house.
Yo.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Glad. Thank you. One more time. Give it up for Bluesman Mike. Thank you. That was nice. And the band. Thanks, guys.
All right. I know it's time. We got Glenville Slim. Yeah. And I want to get Glenville on. He plays with me also doing the toy and diaper drive I mentioned earlier. And so we're going to get him up. All the people that you saw tonight, I've had the pleasure to perform with, so there's one thing nice about it. I'm trying to see if we can get.
I'm a man, a few words, rest in peace. Sugar Bear. Rest in peace, my brother. Rest in peace. All right, this is that key. And on the 4, just hold the 4 and okay, on the turnaround. On the 1, 4, 5 blues, on the 5. On the 5 I meant, on the 5, just hold it. That's okay, we're going to do something else a little more slow. one for you. No, you sing. How about Stand By Me?
There's a stand by me first.
Where is it?
She's over there.
Come on.
And Gigi is singing.
Here comes the real talent. I do what it needs. Let's do it home.
I've never done it in E before, but
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Thanks
Rest in
to all
peace,
the
old brother.
performers and all the folks that came out tonight. Thank you. Hey,
Thank you, good
it was
night.
all for Sugar Bear. By the way, don't forget, December, the first Sunday in December, we'll be back here and we'll be doing a toy and diaper drive. So, I hear you.